The Apple Watch Series 3. I got the regular version and not the cellular. Just got the GPS because the GPS of the cellular version, you have to, one thing, it's $100 more expensive, and you have to pay $10 every month for service on it. And you still get like calls and stuff on this. You can still make calls and everything on this if you have your phone just able to connect to it. You don't need to pay, unless you're like on a job where you really can't have your phone on you. I do not suggest the cellular version. It's just eating your money away. Okay. So the band comes in this. In the watch, oh, I guess that's an extra band. I'm not sure, I haven't ever watched a video on this or anything. Gives you instructions on how to put it on and stuff. The charger's in here. That's what part of this is. Yes, you have to get the charger out. It's a wireless charger. I've never unboxed one of these, but here we go. Here is the watch. Very expensive feeling. It's smooth, like it really is. It's nice. The reason why I got the Series 3 and not the 4 or 5, well, one thing is they're a lot more expensive, and this, you get everything you really need. Like, the only thing that the Apple Series 3 that the 4 and 5 have that I really know of is you don't get the fall detection, and I'm young and I really don't need a fall detection. And it's just when they update stuff, it's a lot smoother and quicker. But the Apple Series 3 is not slow. By no means is it slow. It just it's just that, you know, they put better chips in it. The other ones, that it's so fast that you don't really notice the difference. Well, anyways, this is the unboxing the Apple Watch Series 3, and I will do a review later on it, like a better review. I've watched many videos on it and stuff, but I really suggest this. And I actually got a purple band for this watch. Oh, and the price for this on Walmart is only $200, and then this was about $9. And I also ordered a case that goes over the entire watch, and it covers not just the front, but like the whole watch except the sensor. I really suggest getting one of those. I'm getting it today or tomorrow, so I don't get any scratches or anything on it. Anyways, thanks for watching.